Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe on iPad. First, head to the App Store and download the Adobe applications you need, like Photoshop Express or Acrobat Reader. Make sure your iPad's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Then, simply log in with your existing Adobe ID or create a new one if you are a first-time user. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive touch gestures for a smooth workflow. The iPad offers a powerful suite of Adobe apps for various creative tasks. For photo editing, try Photoshop Express or Lightroom Mobile to enhance your images with precision. If vector graphics are your focus, Adobe Illustrator for iPad provides a full design experience. You can also easily annotate and sign documents using Adobe Acrobat Reader, or unleash your artistic side with Adobe Fresco for drawing and painting. To truly maximize your Adobe experience on iPad, consider using an Apple Pencil for unparalleled precision in drawing and editing. Leverage Adobe Creative Cloud to seamlessly sync your projects across all your devices, ensuring you can pick up where you left off anywhere. Cloud documents also enable easy collaboration with others. Don't forget to customize your in-app toolbars for quick access to your most used features. For the best performance, always close unnecessary background applications to free up your iPad's memory. Make sure you have at least 10 gigabytes of free storage available for large project files. Regularly update your Adobe applications to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes. Finally, consider adjusting your display brightness and other settings to optimize battery life during extended creative sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.